Hey Eagles, I'm Caroline.
And I'm Bella. Welcome to this special homecoming update of EEN.
The theme this year for homecoming is Enchanted Garden. Let's check out the dress-up days.
We have an exciting Spirit Week coming up. Monday is Pajama Day, Tuesday is Floral Print Day, Wednesday is Color Explosion Day. Freshmen wear yellow, sophomores wear pink, juniors wear blue, seniors wear black, and staff wear green. Thursday, dress in earth tones like brown, green, and gray. And Friday is Gnomes and Fairies Day, or dress up in Lynx gear.
At the assembly, we had some really fun games to kick off homecoming week. Let's check them out.
It's chapstick!
Juniors, the seniors are getting loud over there.
The last one comes out of the juniors and seniors, okay. Are we ready? Get loud! A green highlighter!
And of course, no HOCO assembly would be complete without some dances. Here they are.
What a great time. That's a wrap for this special episode of EEN.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week.
That's what you want.